In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit COD on WooCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside your WordPress dashboard to control cash on delivery settings, so you can turn it on under offline payments and set the stage for tighter control later. Start by opening your WordPress website and heading into the dashboard. You'll want an admin account so you have access to your store settings. On the left-hand menu, look for WooCommerce. Click it to open your store controls, then choose Settings. This is where all of your store's core options live, including how your customers pay. Next, go to the Payments tab along the top. This area lists every payment method available to your store. You'll see a mix of gateways provided by WooCommerce and any you've installed, along with a section for offline payments. Offline simply means methods that don't process through a payment processor in real time, such as bank transfer, check, and cash on delivery. Now click into the offline payments section so you can manage what's offered at checkout. Find cash on delivery. This is the option customers select when they plan to pay when their order is delivered. Click to open its settings and enable it. Turning this on makes COD appear as a choice on your checkout page. If you see an on/off toggle or a checkbox for enabling, make sure it's switched on. Once enabled, take a moment to review the description text your customers will see at checkout. Clear wording helps set expectations, like when payment is collected and any conditions that apply. Also, as a best practice, make sure your changes are saved so the setting takes effect on the live site. A quick note on limiting COD. Within this same cash on delivery screen, WooCommerce typically provides options that let you fine-tune availability, such as restricting COD to certain shipping methods or locations. Those options are especially helpful if you only want COD for local deliveries or specific carriers. You don't have to change anything now, but know this is the right place to come back to when you want tighter control. Before you wrap up, visit your storefront and run a test checkout to confirm COD is visible exactly where you expect it. If you use a caching plugin or a performance service, clear your cache so customers see the updated payment list right away. Keep an eye on your orders after enabling COD to ensure the workflow matches your fulfillment process. That's it. You've opened your WordPress site, navigated to WooCommerce, gone into settings, opened payments, entered offline payments, and enabled cash on delivery so you can manage and limit it as needed.